Hey there, I'm Ron, founder and CEO of Caddy. I'm so glad you're here. Let me share a bit of our story with you. Whether you're a food and beverage manufacturer, a future team member, or someone who's excited about transforming the future of food safety, this is for you. Caddy is modern inventory and traceability software made simple for forward-thinking SMB food and beverage manufacturers across North America. Small and medium-sized food manufacturers are the backbone of the food industry. But too often, they're stuck juggling outdated systems, piles of paper, or endless spreadsheets just to keep things moving. We believe there's a better way to level the playing field for greater productivity and food safety, and that belief drives everything we do. I saw this challenge up close and thought, why settle for good enough when we can aim for extraordinary? That's how Caddy was born. We wanted to simplify the everyday work, give teams back their time, and help food manufacturers not just survive, but thrive. The problem was clear. Legacy software was built for corporate giants, not for small businesses with big ambitions. Rising costs, labor turnover, tighter regulations, it's a lot to handle. But we believe SMBs can rise above these challenges with the right tools. And we believe in the people behind those businesses. Most software focuses on either quality control or operations, but not both. Caddy bridges that gap so your inventory, traceability, and records all live in one powerful, easy-to-use system. And that can change everything. Usability isn't just a feature, it's a promise. You can have the fanciest reports in the world, but if the data going in is messy, it's garbage in, garbage out. Caddy makes sure your data stays clean and organized to give you greater peace of mind. Before Caddy existed, I envisioned a world where food traceability wasn't just a trend. It was essential for building trust and staying competitive. Today, that vision feels more urgent and exciting than ever. Our commitment is simple. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep evolving alongside you. We put customer feedback first and work with the best experts in the industry to make sure we're always building what matters most. Because when you win, we all win. We believe in a future where SMB food and beverage manufacturers can dream big, attract the best talent, and compete with anyone, no matter their size. Our vision at Caddy is to help create a safer, more sustainable, and more prosperous world. Everything we do comes back to our DNA, what defines us and guides how we operate. Our DNA is simple but powerful, fueled by optimism, driven by relentless customer focus, and built on doing more with less. We're building something incredible, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Thanks for being part of our journey. Whether you're an owner and operator, a future teammate, or an investor who shares our vision, we're glad you're here. At Caddy, we're not just building software, we're building a movement, and this is only the beginning.